Well, I've had the Mavic Air and Mavic Air 2. This is the first time flying an FPV drone, aside from a few little test flights in my backyard. With the non-FPV drones, you can get some sort of acrobatic shots, but without the precision that you can get with this FPV view. I just have a lot more confidence of knowing exactly where the drone is in relationship to the obstacles. You can just get a lot closer and a lot faster than you can just looking at your camera screen. You also have the option of recording what I'm seeing through the goggles with the heads-up display and the various telemetries, which is always pretty handy. As I was flying around the field, at one point I saw a Frisbee go by, and then I noticed a guy was throwing a bunch of Frisbees across the field and decided to go and chase them. So that was my first adventure with the drone out on the field. I hope to have many more adventures just like this.